In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text font in Figma. We'll walk through two straightforward ways to update typography in your designs. First, how to change the font for a single text layer, and then how to replace fonts across multiple layers at once using a plugin. Let's get started by opening your design in Figma so you can follow along in real time. If you need to adjust the font for individual or selected text, click the text layer you want to update on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Look to the right sidebar and find the text section under the typography area. There, you'll see the current font name. Click that font name to open the font picker. Then choose the new typeface you want. As soon as you select it, Figma will apply the change to the selected layer. This is a great moment to check the weight, style, and letter spacing in the same panel to keep your hierarchy clean and consistent. If you don't see the change you expected, make sure the correct text layer is selected and that you are not editing a component instance that's locked down by a main component style. For a batch change across multiple layers, a plugin makes this fast and reliable. Use the Font Replacer plugin to swap all instances of a font across a selection, a page, or even the entire document. To open plugins, press Ctrl-K, click Plugins and search for Font Replacer. Run it to open the plugin window. Inside the plugin, choose the option that says Select all text layers on this page. This ensures the plugin gathers every text layer it needs to evaluate. A window will appear showing your current fonts on the left and the replacement options on the right. Select the font you want to replace. Choose the new font on the right, and then click Replace. The plugin will update all matching text layers at once, which is perfect for brand refreshes or standardizing type across large files. After a bulk replacement, skim your frames to confirm everything looks right. Different fonts can change line breaks, spacing, and overall text width, so a quick visual check helps maintain polish. If something feels off, use Undo and try a different weight or style of the same family for better balance. And that's all you need to change text fonts in Figma, whether you are tweaking a single label or transforming a whole project. Thanks for watching.